Good morning guys and girls, welcome. I believe I have fixed the sound this time. I had major issues with my sound card and the sound. I heard the sound of the video yesterday and it was awful, so I'm sorry about that. I am on it. I believe I fixed it a little bit better today. So I am in the process of choosing a new sound card. So we are in euro. Let's start a little bit. Yesterday's trades, they were all winners. These are the yesterday's trades. This is the real live account, and also I was trading the challenge of the funded trader. These are my yesterday's trades, so they were all winners, 74, 24, 24, 20, 21, but actually I should have had actually 5 times the 70, because I was just I tried to secure profits because it was a big roller coaster yesterday. So I predicted that market will go down from here. It went, but I had it coming lower. Then I had a big retracement, but I didn't close them and I managed them correctly. So after that, no, here it is. Yes, this is the New York afterwards. This is the New York session. I predicted here, and then I had the same thing, and you see the exact same thing in bigger scale. So generally market is weird these days. Today we just had high impact news, so I'm gonna just add my basic levels. I'm starting right now because until now I was fixing sound and stuff. I saw some levels before, just a little bit to have an idea. So the New York midnight open is here. So let's put a red line, which is very important always. Yep. Okay, so I'm expecting now, after this fair value gap, for the price to hit this area and then go down. Okay, where go down? Let's go until, how down we will go today. I believe we will go down, but let's see. So why I believe that we are going down? Because in the Fibonacci area, in the 15 minutes, we are in an optimal trade entry area, which is 0.79 or 0.705. So one target for sure is the 50%, and for sure is the New York midnight open, which still we haven't hit in a significant way anyway. But before that, in euro, for sure we are still in euro. Okay, let's see in the macro economic area. Let's go to the daily. So for the daily, this is where it gets tricky a little bit. So we have to consider that it's Friday. Friday for me actually is not a good day to trade. So since it's Friday, it's the end of the weekly candle. So as you can see, we had a big retracement upwards. So according to power of 3, this is the accumulation, the manipulation until down, and the distribution was already in a very big way. So the body of the candle is very small. So I believe in order to be like in the middle of things, it could go today up until the 50% of this candle. Also we have targets with equal lows. I'm gonna write here, which is always a target. Yesterday I predicted all the equal lows that were being hit. ready to be taken. Boom. Okay, again, in this area, in the weekly, we are under 50%. So it's like right now it's a little bit undecidable. So because that we are a little bit under 50% and we just before we hit the 38.8, I believe that the 38.8 it's still a target. Why I believe in a general way? Because in this area of the weekly, which actually is from month July, here we hit the optimal trade entry area 0.79 to 0.705 until 61.8. So all this movement is very natural. We hit 50% and price could go lower even here. This is the first target actually. So I am anticipating in general in some months, or maybe in 1 month, or maybe 2-3 months, to go up until 0.04 or 42 or 43, yeah. And I guess here I haven't put the signal in my Fibonacci that shows also the price like I did in my real live account. So let's go here in the weekly and you'll see what I'm talking about. Here we have also the prices. So we're under 50%. Here we have a manipulation and distribution, and consolidation phase. And so since here we haven't reached higher highs and over 61.8, here 61.8, the exact level, is for sure again an optimal trade entry. So in the weekly we haven't hit higher highs from here, and this is a fair value gap. So for me the bias is still downwards. Let's go to the daily. I'm gonna delete right now the Fibonacci of this area, and I will put a new Fibonacci tool to the daily. So in the daily we hit the 38.2, and here we have a mitigation block and a fair value gap that has created here, and also we have a break of market structure. This is very significant. This is a very bearish signal because we hit it in a very dynamic way. Here we have equal lows, as I said before, which are a target. They are always target. Why? They are target because market is creating liquidity so that big institutional orders can put their positions, which are very big. So they need liquidity to do that. So market creates liquidity before obvious levels that could retail traders place their order. So after that, market goes there and take the liquidity of their order. Let's go in this area again in the daily. Let's go in the 4 hour. Here we are in the 4 hour. So again we are under 50%. So now for sure it's always this gap, this whole movement, for sure it's always a target to to go upwards. But yesterday we had big market structure shift, which I predicted. And now we are under 50%. We are in a discount, but not a big discount. We are in a fair value in general. In the 4 hour we are in a fair value. So maybe it's a consolidation day today, so that the weekly candle stays like, you know, where it is, more or less. Let's see a little bit the economic calendar. We had before high impact news. In 9 o'clock Greek time, which is red for Germany, which is the biggest economy in Europe. Okay, so this is significant, but doesn't mean anything for the price. Actually, it could go upper. Let's go and see the sentiment, which is always important for me. So traders in general, they are undecidable. They are half and half, bearish and bullish, in the Euro USD at least. Generally in this challenge, in this real live account, I trade Euro USD. I also trade gold, I also trade other currencies. For me it's all the same, but fundamentals for gold and oil are a little bit different. So here, this is interesting because from 22nd of December up until here, so this is the monthly candle. This is a monthly candle, which yes, for me, here we have targets between these candles, which it's always a target, and here are the equal lows, which they are for sure a target. So general, so okay, so here is a little bit tricky, that what it could happen. Here you see a bearish order block, so price could retrace up until this level, which it did, as you can see, and then went down. So this week touched exactly this body, so now we are in a downtrend because of that, because we have the reaction of this bearish order block. This candle surpassed the body of the previous candle, so always price retraces back so that it can test this level and then goes down. So yeah, today I am bearish in the higher time frame. Equal lows, but here is where it's a little bit weird. In the daily we are in a very big discount. So one scenario is to go here and test this bearish order block. So bearish order block, let's put it as a text, bearish order block. So this is a level always to consider in case we go up. Properties, the obvious background. Okay, so here let's see if it touches the same in the daily, right? The 79% here. If it touches this, if it touches it, we might go up for a small amount, actually, up until here. I don't believe we will surpass, or the last frontier is here, the mean threshold of this order block. Okay, so are we expecting more news today? Let's be sure about it. today we don't have from euro, but we have from Canada 330. Okay, high impact, but other high impact news we don't have. Okay, interesting. It's always a Friday. Friday it's a retracement day according to power of 3. If this is the area, price needs to go up and do the distribution. So, okay, this is a bearish order block and we broke market structure, but here we see, that's why I haven't entered yet to any trade, that with a very high volume candle we are trying to break this market structure. Where is the target? This area, this gap, and this order block. From here to here, I want to see it clearly. We are in the 4 hour, yes, and we are going for the 38.2. Okay, so as you can see, up until now we were bearish. Now I'm thinking that we are going up because this is the optimal trade entry. 1 hour and the 15-minute. Okay, this is a bullish order block for sure. This is a bullish order block. This candle surpassed this one and break with the body, the structure. So this is the last frontier, that if we will go down or not, because one touch, this is the fair value gap that is very significant of yesterday's trading. You see how much it respected it here. Now we surpassed it. We still can surpass it, but the target is here. So here we have buy side liquidity. We lost internet for a while. Here we have buy side liquidity. Let's go to the, yeah. Okay, let's see. This is in the 5-minute. Again, let's see where is New York Midnight Open for today. In this, oh, we're going down now. Here it is, the New York Midnight Open. So this is always a level. So we can have a retracement from this fair value gap and go and hit this target first, and maybe in this fair value gap we will go upwards. Let's see. This is difficult, guys. This is a very difficult day. And girls. So still we don't have a clear setup. We will go up or down. The general bias is bearish, is that we are going down. But here is a very good and strong bullish order block. Okay, so here we have created a fair value gap. I'm expecting to go, or we're going straight down for the New York Midnight Open. I'm expecting for price to go up touches this fair value gap, and then I will sell, yes, because here is the target of the midnight open, New York midnight open. Time is 10:37 and we haven't touched. Okay, I am about to sell 0.3 lots in the real live account. I could put a limit order, but I don't trust the broker if they fill me. It didn't test. It tested in the 5-minute fair value gap, and now we're going down and I missed the move. This is a very good question. If it touches it, I'm getting in. Boom. So you see where my broker filled me, and my stop loss is here, 78.47. Why? Because you have a spread in the broker. Let's go to the challenge also. So I'm expecting this fair value gap to take place and this fair value gap to take place also. And I'm taking the same but with a little more risk, 0.4 in the challenge, and you see the difference of the proprietary firm filling. 78.51 the stop loss. So this is my first trade, 78.51. So I'm risking 12 euros to go for short up until here, 76.90 for short, and more, we'll see. And you see price going down, 52 euros in the challenge. You see how much it goes down. Let's see a bigger target. Okay, so here is a very good target because we have New York midnight, you have sell side liquidity, you have a mean threshold of the fair value gap. So 76.90, 3, 20 pips, which is good for Friday. 434 euros. Would be very satisfied with this, and probably this is the ultimate target even here, but we'll see. So another confirmation is that from in this area we are in an optimal trade entry area. We haven't reached and touched the New York midnight open, which is a level which I see every day is taking place. Okay, link, yes. So we see price doing exactly what I have predicted. It touched the fair value gap. We have dynamic down. So yes, this is a winning trade for sure. Why I'm so certain? Because we haven't touched the New York Midnight Open, which is this red midnight, the red line. I will have it as a target, New York Midnight Open, and here too, New York Midnight Open, and we see price doing exactly what I have predicted. In challenge 2 we are both in profitable trades. So watching the general bias that was bearish, we saw a bearish 20,022 model. Okay, nah. So we have a sound from the room. I have to fix the acoustics of the room, but also it's the sound card. No, okay, yes, keyboard is very loud, I know, that's why I have to be gentle with it, but actually the trading is what matters right now, and I will fix the sound. But we see that price is doing exactly what I have predicted, going to this target, and you see with how much strength is going down. So we are both in real account and in the challenge account, both in profitable trades. In the real account I'm going for 34.26. You see price, guys, this is unbelievable. Okay, this is ICT concepts. So whoever says that ICT doesn't work, he hasn't studied enough ICT. This is the level New York Midnight Open that we are going for, and I'm actually anticipating more, but this is the pretty much look this movement. Look this movement. I told you that as soon as I see the candle go there and touch this fair value gap, I'm gonna sell, and it's going down in a very strong way. Okay, for sure we have to see this retracement now, because this fair value gap might has a significant consequence in price, but it isn't that much of significance, because these bodies haven't surpassed these bodies. So all confirmations are showing that we are going down. We also touched the optimal trade entry area, the 0.705, and you see, yes, this is a winning trade for sure, because it will not only touch the New York Midnight Open, it will take the sell side liquidity also. Great, and I believe I'm done for the day, actually, because as I said, Friday, it's a very weird day always. So this, it might touch the New York Midnight Open and then goes up to the levels that I said before. Here we have a repricing and an inversed fair value gap. So this is tricky. We'll see the reaction. You saw exactly where it stopped the strength of the price, but these levels are very strong right now. It's for certain. It's very certain that price will hit them. In the challenge, I could put some more risk. We're at 10,215. We need 800 to pass the evaluation. I like this fair value gap. As soon as price, if price actually retraces back here, I might have another position. So I am in the challenge. I put one lot, and let's see if we have another target also. Έλα. Ευχαριστώ. Ακούς αυτό που λέω?
Όχι, άκουσα τον Νίκο και άκουσα. Είναι πολύ ενοχλητικό το
Κατάλαβα στο άλλο θόρυβο του δωματίου.
Εντάξει, μια χαρά.
Δηλαδή ακούγεται, δεν είναι τόσο ενοχλητικό. Okay guys, so this is what happens when you have a great wife. She brings you coffee and something to eat, not just something to eat, an unbelievable thing to eat. What? Okay, I lost the... No, I didn't lose anything. Here we can re-enter, but yeah, no, this is very strong to go, and you see it live. I'm sorry, the camera has fallen. Yes, I have a piano. I love this trade actually. So we took sell side liquidity from here and we hit these equal lows. So this is in the challenge. I should have put a bigger position in the challenge at least. So I have 200 euros in the real life account and I have $10,000 in the challenge, and the profit is still the same. That's because I have 500 leverage in the real account. So we see price retracing. This is actually good for me because I will. This gives me another opportunity to re-enter. So it will hit this fair value gap and this inverted fair value gap, and also this area. So I kind of like this for higher. Okay, no. Let's see. This is, yes. Here prices could say that we might go up for a little while more. I also haven't journaled my trades. I will right now. great coffee. We are waiting. I would love to give me one more signal here to re-enter with high lot position in the challenge at least. So let's see how high it will go. It might reach this high even. This gives me more pips. 10 pips more with one lot. Let's see. That's 100. You might ask what happens if it goes down. I'm pretty sure it will not actually right now. So after this sell side liquidity taken, we have a retracement. Go a little bit higher. A little bit higher, please. Yes, thank you. Okay. So my stop loss for this one is 78.18 is the stop loss for this one. Not profit, sorry. So we have medium impact news from Italy in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That tells me that we will have some kind of volatility and I like it. Let's see the bigger target. Yes, a bigger target is here. So let's have the one position, or maybe here. Well, the certain target is the 50% of this area. So it's here. 76, right? 76.55. 76.55. So you see me how I select my levels. I could reduce my stop loss also here. I mean here to be in some kind of profit. Yes, I re-entered here even if it's a little bit low in the real account also. 78.17, my stop loss, and 76.55, which was it here? 76.55. You see price going exactly where I said it will go. Yep, I love it. Yes, 76.55. Why my because I haven't written well. Okay, great. We took this sell side liquidity also. This is a very high probability target. I'm risking 27 euros and more actually. So about 50 euros I'm risking to go for this is the real one. 32 and 34. 66 euros. And the real one is already plus 51. I love it so far. It's an optimal trade ended. Let's delete our Fibos. Yes, it's an optimal trade ended, the bigger. Let's see in which time frame. That's in the daily. No, in the 4 hour. Yep. Okay. Let's see the volatility after you heard the news. It will collapse. Maybe it would go a little bit further up, and then here we will have a retracement backwards. If it goes up, I will sell again a bigger position. Nope, we're going down, straight down. €80 plus challenge. Okay, let's see the retracement, if there is one. It's medium impact. Another very high probability level is this liquidity void here. Do you see this gap? This is very high liquidity, a very high probability level, which we still haven't reached here. If it goes up, I like it even more because I will sell more, because we have 3 targets of great significance to go for. So now we are going for this liquidity void. 90 euros or 100 euros almost in the challenge. So after a big drawdown, I was 9,500. I am now 10,260, and I'm going slowly to the 10,800. I don't want to risk more. I have matured a lot as a trader because I did my mistakes as anyone. So for me, my biggest thing was, you see the reaction from the 61.8 actually here, was the risk management. That was very big, significant thing for me. So we hit New York level, midnight level. Yes, we hit New York midnight open. I haven't closed it because I believe we will go further down for the sell side liquidity. So you see the retracement after the New York midnight open hit. This is actually the Asia low. 9 February, 6 o'clock, we hit this low, so it's very significant. We will go and hit it. So when you have you have New York midnight open and Asia low lower, you are going lower. That's why that was a very high probability trade. We have a retracement. I should have closed some position here. Like 6 o'clock in the morning we reach this, and here is the New York low from yesterday. Okay, so this is the London high for Friday, New York low from yesterday, and here we are in optimal trade entry area. Just delete all Fibos. To put a new one here. As you can see from here to here, so this is the London high of today, and this is where we had the high impact news, and this is the New York low. In this area we are in an area of optimal trade entry. You have just reached the New York midnight open, and this is the Asia low. 6 o'clock in the morning, just before Frankfurt opens. So we see now retracement, but I'm not convinced that we're going upwards. So we hit New York midnight open, we haven't hit Asia low. You see the precision here of this. Look, it filled exactly this gap. Exactly. It's very unlikely to not hit this area. So in my real life account I might sell again here maybe, or wait here. Let's see how many pips are these. from here to here is 5 pips. 25 euros if I put 0.5, and you see the price goes down. Okay, no, I will not sell more. It's good for the day. Yes, you see it live how price is reacting. Let's see this fair value gap and this swing low. If it surpasses this level, it's a certain trade. Sorry. New haircut, yep. Let me know about the sound. I know it's a little bit noisy, but I think it's a little bit better from yesterday, which it was awful. So you see the certainty of these trades today, both in real live account and in the challenge. We have levels that are high probability levels. We just hit New York Open, which is this one, and in my broker here you see the liquidity void, this gap here, which price went and fill to the exact peak here. This is algorithmic. Okay, so now you see price reacting and going exactly as I said it will go, sorry, to the target to take profit. Why? Because we haven't hit the Asia low, and here you see with how much strength. So we just hit New York Midnight Open again, and we're going for the Asia low. Yep, let's screenshot this lovely trade. Lovely. I love it. I love it. In the challenge we are 100 euros. Optimal trade. We had many confirmations. Yes, you see the strength, guys. Okay, so this is a take profit exactly as predicted, exactly to the exact point. Let's see. Imagine that it doesn't hit and I will cry for 1 week, losing from one kind of millisecond here. It will go for sure. My other target is lower, and I also have confidence in this because it's the 50%. So I'm gonna let price run today. I'm not closing anything. Sorry guys, this is very important. Καλημέρα Γιώτη. Τι γίνεται, Καλά, εντάξει, δεν υπάρχει. Τι κάνεις, καλά. Εγώ πλέον έχω το δύο στην Ασημινικά, κάνω σεμινάρια συνέχεια. Οπότε ο Ισαάκ Twitter και αυτά, όταν μας είναι τα σεμινάρια που κάνουμε, δηλαδή έχω φέρει το Κοτσοβόπουλο, φέρει το Τρονάκι, τα αναγνώσουμε το Μαγιόρκα, δηλαδή μάθουν σε... Αυτό θέλω, αυτό ήθελα, αρχίσα να σε σκέφτομαι από την αρχή, να λάβεις τον μπάστο και να τα κάνεις τώρα, τι δεν το ζητάμε, γιατί δεν το ζητάμε. Ο αιώνιος φάνς του, δεν το ζητάμε. Κοίταξε, εδώ πέρα έχουμε κάνει μια ωραία φάση. Εγώ ήμουν καθόλου καθηγητής αυτό, το οποίο έχω περάσει το 2009, το πρώτο και το κορονοϊό με πήραμε πάλι σαν καθηγητή, εγώ έκανα σπουδές και τα λοιπά, αλλά μετά το 20 αυτό είχε ένα το πρόσωπο, είχε παρατημένο το προφείο και εγώ μόλις έχω κάνει το παιδί, εντάξει, οπότε λέω ότι μάλλον δεν έχω βιώσω το πουθενά. Οπότε και το νύχηκα καλό, επειδή δεν με ξέρουν και πιστεύω και τα λοιπά, οπότε κάνω καλή και τα λοιπά. Οπότε έχω ξεκινήσει το φτιάχνω και είναι η ευκαιρία δηλαδή να κάνω το οποίο θα ήθελα να έχω ως μαθητή, αυτή είναι η ιδέα. Δηλαδή είχα μιλήσει και με τον Κάρλο Συνόπουλο, την και ξεκινήσω να κάνω πολύ μεγάλα ονόματα, είναι λίγο δύσκολο φυσικά όλα αυτά, αλλά θα κάνουμε πολύ δουλειά. Φαντάζομαι είναι και λίγο θέατρο, αυτό είναι δύο παράδειγμα τεχνικού, αλλά δυστυχώς διορμήσα το θέατρο και θα ψάχνω πρώτη φορά ένα αίθουσα, αλλά έχω μια καλή αίθουσα που θα ψάχνω άτομα που είναι για συνέδρια και για συναντήτες. Δεν θα μάθω να κάνω για συναντήτες, προτιμάω σίγουρα δηλαδή. Και λοιπόν σαν παρέα έχω έστειλε μήνυμα στο WhatsApp και θα χαρώ πολύ να κάνουμε σεμινάριο, γιατί κάνει το λόγο παγκόσμιο περιοδικό και τώρα οπότε θα κανονίσουμε κάτι. Οπότε γενικά είναι πολύ ανοιχτός, πολύ θετικός άνθρωπος, μιλήσαμε στο παιδί για αυτά, έκανε και το φιλόξενήσω δηλαδή και σπίτι και όλα αυτά. Και σκέφτομαι επειδή αυτό θέλει να κάνει γιατί τους φλαμέγκο ρυθμούς πάνω στην τζάζ, στα σεμινάρια και αυτά, αλλά απ' την άλλη θέλει και να ανακαλύψει και να εξερευνήσει την ελληνικά. Οπότε εγώ σκέφτηκα την παρουσία και να βάλω το μέσα σε ένα πλατφόρμα. Και φυσικά και εσείς δηλαδή πώς πήρατε για να μπορούσαμε να κάνουμε ένα χρονάκι, ένα σχεδίο και αυτά και να είναι έτσι η φάση του πλατφόρμα και το ζαμάρισμα να είναι πιο καλό. Ναι, ναι. Πάτε να σου ζήσει, τέλεια, εσύ. Οκ, ναι. Κοίτα, η ημερομηνία είναι 9 Μαρτίου, Σάββατο. Ωραία. Τώρα αυτός δεν έχει στείλει ακόμα τι ακριβώς θέλει να παίξει. Δηλαδή, μήπως ναι. Α, οκ, εντάξει. Ωραία. Οπότε 9 Μαρτίου παίξει. Ωραία, εντάξει, δεν πειράζει. Κοίταξε, εγώ χάρηκα και μόνο που εργαζόμουν με την επαφή. Οπότε, δηλαδή, όποτε θέλεις να έρθεις να παίξουμε, αυτό ρε παιδί, εντάξει, εννοείται ότι δεν το συζητάμε ότι δουλειές γιατί το φαντάστηκα κιόλας. Αλλά σου λέω ήσουν ο πρώτος που πήρα, έτσι, και να κάνουμε κάτι άλλο. Γιατί τώρα είναι και αυτός πολύ μεγάλο, γιατί έγινε δεσίνα, οπότε κάνουμε μόνο φανταστείτε έκανα να δώσω το και αυτό τι είναι η δουλειά σήμερα. Τίποτα, εγώ σου λέω, καλό να κάνετε καλά πράγματα. Ναι, όχι, το πιστεύω, μην κάνουμε σε αυτό, δεν το συζητάμε. Ναι. Ωραία. Κοίταξε, εσύ όποτε θέλεις, αν θέλεις να κάνεις ένα σεμινάριο, έχεις και το κάνεις και το κάνουμε και το διευθύνεις και τα λοιπά, όποτε θέλεις, ή σεμινάριο, ή live, το κάνουμε. Σούπερ. Ο Μικάλης δεν σου λέω ότι φίλος, απλά είμαστε πολύ καλά. Πολύ καλά. Ο Εστέλιος, τέλειος. Φαντάζομαι μόνο με πατάω στην Λεωφάρα και το χασκάτα το και σου λέω τώρα εμείς έχουμε περάσει το φράχτη και να σαν φαντάει να δούμε jazz live, ας πούμε, και ο Μικάλης είναι και ένα φράχτη. Καμώ, δηλαδή ιστορικές στιγμές, το παλιό δίνει στην Λεωφάρα. Καμώς, οπότε αυτός 6,5. Άντε, μπορούμε να σου πεις. Κοίταξε, πρέπει να σου λέω να βρεθούν, να παίξουν κιόλας και να δώσεις κανέναν κάτω, άμα είναι κάτω. Ακόμα είναι λίγο μωρούλι, αλλά εντάξει, σου λέω και με το κορονάκι, εγώ βγαίνω και με το έτοιμα άλλους τους μεταδεγές. Είναι η ζωή πριν το παιδί και μετά το παιδί εδώ. Και εγώ έτσι το λέω. Σου λέω, εγώ σου λέω, έχω πολλά πράγματα. Εγώ έχω κάνει και στενή στο εσωτερικό. Είχαμε κάνει και λόγω και βιβλιογραφία να προτείνω το σαν θεσμένα με το κόσμο του μάθημα του Tom Sizemore. Γιατί έκανα ένα μεταφιάρτικο με το Tom Sizemore και το έχω πίσω στη διάσωση του Τσαπουλάκια. Και με τον Έλληνα το πρόστιμα Μάκυλο, που είναι ο πρωτοσόφιλος του, αλλά είναι στα σώτα, φίλε, είναι καλό όπου, γιατί εγώ έκανα μεταφιάρτικο τώρα σε αυτά στην μουσική κινηματογράφη και μετά από τις άλλες και μουσικολογίες έκανα και film music, ας πούμε, οπότε έτσι και τα άμανα και τα. Οπότε, ναι, αυτό είναι μεγάλη υπόθεση. Και πάντα δηλαδή αυτό γιατί αυτή η πόρτα είναι. Δεν λόγω να κάνω τα δικά μου τα project που μου τα εξαρτικά της αζωροτέκια μου σχετικά. Γιατί τώρα εσένα φαντάσου εγώ το έσχερα από το τρέχω για να κάνω τόσο παράπονο. Μάλλον νόμιζε λίγο έχω μπλέξει με ναρκωτικά και εγώ πριν να πρέπει να ζω στο παράπονο, ας πούμε, και Ελλάδα και τέτοια. Και έπρεπε να θυμάμαι ότι την γένεια την ίδια, μάνα έλα πάρει το θυσίο. Δηλαδή με σου λέω, έχω κάνει στο μάτι και με ένα και με ένα οδηγό το Τάνι. Οπότε πάντα δεν είναι από πίσω σου πάντα. Οπότε αν τύχει να παίξουμε το άλλο να κάνουμε κάτι μαζί, μεγάλη παρέτηση. Ναι. Μου λες πότε θέλεις να το κάνουμε. Οπότε δηλαδή εσύ τέτοιο χρόνο και δεν το κάνω, το κανονίζω. Όποτε θέλεις, δηλαδή μου λες πλέον και παίρνω την αίθουσα έντυπη, δηλαδή και στην κάτω από το βιβλίο, την προτείνεις και το κανονίζω εγώ κάνω διαστήσεις και τα λοιπά. Με το προμόνι στο Facebook γίνεται γραφή σας, με τις αφήσεις. Εντάξει, χάρηκα πολύ που σ' άκουσα, σε ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Εντάξει, και μιλάμε όποτε θέλεις, όποτε μου πεις πάμε πότε το μωρό και θέλεις να βρεθούμε το παιδί, πάμε. Εντάξει, να είσαι καλά. Ναι, όχι τίποτα, όποτε θέλεις με παίρνεις, σου λέω, βρισκόμαστε και τα λέμε και κατάλαβα. Είναι πρόσωπο, γιατί είναι τα πράγματα που δεν ξέρει. Είναι η κριτία, είναι. Είμαστε εκεί χώρα. Δεν υπάρχει. Στην δραστηρία σταματάει το τέλος στα μάλαγε για να περάσει και το πουλικά προσώπητο το οποίο μετά ξεκινάει να το προσωπάσει. Γιατί πέρασε ήδη βρεζός, αλλά δεν ήρθε στον δρόμο και ο Βασιλιάς μετά μας περίμενε. Μπράβο. Ακριβώς αυτό, ναι. Αυτό, είναι απίστευτο. Είναι πολύ χαλιά, δεν υπάρχει. Εντάξει. Να είσαι καλά, να είσαι σε κοινωνία. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ για τον χρόνο και όλα αυτά και σου λέω ό,τι θέλεις, σου λέω μη. Ό,τι θέλεις, όποτε θέλεις, πρέπει να μου πεις ημερομηνία, μπορώ να το τότε, το κάνουμε, μπορώ να το κάνουμε Απρίλιο, δηλαδή. Ημερομηνία, έπεσε νομικά και το κάνουμε υπέροχο. Ναι. Σούπερ. Σου λέω, μια εβδομάδα μετά το κάνουμε. Εντάξει, σε ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ, Να είσαι καλά. Και να χαίρεσαι και το παιδί σου. Γεια χαρά, πολλά, να είσαι καλά. Γεια. Okay, I am back. Okay, yes, I will indeed let it run. I had a very significant, a great phone call actually from my work, which is not work, it's art, it's music. Okay, now we're going up actually, because this is like a market makers buy model. You see how, I mean, it could just hit the New York Open, then retrace backwards. Let's see. Oh no, this is equal highs now, so okay. I'm still confident in the trade because of this fair value gap. These equal highs will be taken. Let's fix a little bit the camera. This is going up actually now. I mean, if okay, this will be very weird if this low will not be taken. I'm pretty confident that it will actually. We have this fair value gap very strong, very significant. As I told you, these highs will be taken. Okay, now we have big reaction downwards. I like that, which means it's just been taken, so it just hit the stop loss there. Here it has this repricing. Yes, at least for a short term of time it will go up, at least here. Let's see. This candle shows a little bit bullish strength. Okay, let's see. I like this movement. Yeah, it can always go up, but I don't know how up it will go, because now maybe it's too obvious that Asia low is a target, so it scares traders to make more sell side liquidity. Okay. Guess we're going up for a little while. Let's see how much, how up. I will move my stop losses up until here, because up until here price has the right to go. Let's see this fair value gap. Again, equal highs. Going up normal trade, bullish one. So okay, let's see how we will work it out. I mean, again, it just hit. Okay, yes, we have news. Euro Slovenia red. I'm expecting for this fair value gap to be touched like here. Okay, if it goes here, I will sell more actually. But you should just before the take profit. So you see these candles, it broke with the body of this market structure in the 5 minute. So here it's a very good sell. Because I believe we might want to hit the Asia low first and then go up. But the New York Midnight Open was hit exactly as predicted. We are waiting again as yesterday, just before our target, price retraced back. Relatively equal highs. but that was here buy makers model. Maybe we go there for the buy side liquidity. Let's see what will unfold, because since you have touched the your midnight open, maybe you don't need the other targets, maybe. This is the real live account. This candle shows me that it will go up and will break these equal highs as anticipated, but here I'm waiting, or here some kind of resistance, some resistance. So in the 5 minute, here is the target I believe that we will go. I will start scalping a little more faster, I believe. Because I am predicting every little move. And now I'm just waiting, and I'm kind of bored actually. Interesting. Camera. Yes, I like that. Yes, I love this candle. We broke market structure here with the body. But it hasn't closed yet. So only weak, it means just touched this fair value gap and we're going up. With the body, it means we're going down. Let's see this candle. Yes, with the body we surpassed this level. We still haven't reached under this week, which is significant. I'm still haven't convinced that we are going down right now, even if we had this candle. As I said, the general bias is downwards, but this can be changed in micro terms, microeconomic terms. So in the same day we might go a little bit higher and then go to the target, or the initial target, or we could go straight up to the target. But don't forget that this is Friday. But exactly because we had the big retracement before this week upwards, I'm expecting lower targets for Friday, not higher. But I am expecting lower targets. Doesn't mean that market wants to go there. So here we will see if this fair value gap is indeed a bullish one, or we will go for the Asia low. So as you see, it was a good thing that we waited. I believe now we will go down because we have much volume. So that is the traders scaring. Traders wanted to be scared. Markets wants to scare traders, I mean, so they can have buy side liquidity here and they can take it afterwards. So now with these candles, I can't believe that we are going to the targets and the profit. Yes, let's see. Let's see, this is the challenge. We are 86 euros over. I might close one just in case. No, it will hit the target. I'm letting it hit the target. Oh, come on. I actually like that because it's equal lows or relatively equal lows. It creates liquidity. I'm even more certain now that it will go down. Yes, for sure it will break it. Great. Let it run, but now we're going down. Now we're going down. I love these candles. So these are the real move. Yep. Come on. Yes. One target hit. Let's go to the next. 61.8. It will touch and have a retracement. 70 euros. Let's see. We're going for, yeah, the 50%. I will leave it there. Yep. In a significant way. 103 euros. Guys, you see it live. You see it predicting it, the exact move live. You see. Okay, this is not by accident. I have here the same trade. And I'm letting hit the TP. Why I believe? Because it's the 50%. Price wants to have fair value. So now we are over 300 in the challenge, 80 euros plus. We broke this market structure with a body in the 15. I just don't want to wait. I would like to touch it. Okay, so here in this area, here is lower. Okay. Why I put there? I put it there because of that, yes. Yes, this is the 50% of this area. But from this area, it's low, it's even lower. So yes, I believe it will go even lower. Yep. Just before the take profit, here we have created a mitigation block. Here we will have a price reacting. So this is a fair value gap. The next 5 minutes we will have another candle hitting this area and then go down. So in 5-10 minutes we will have the TP taken. But this is frustrating actually because I have my levels and all the levels are just before they got hit. But still a win today, 34.26 in 220 account. Okay, so here, here and here the 50% is lower, it's even lower, it's here. We are in an optimal trade entry. We broke with the body market structure, but we hit this fair value gap. Let's see if indeed we'll go to the target. This is frustrating, but for sure I can lower my stop losses now. And even lower. I cannot lower in the 5 minute. Yes, until here. Let's go do that also in the challenge. This is very significant. The body of this candle have broken the market structure. It's exactly where we are in the 5 minute. The body went exactly to this wick. You see that. But these bodies have been surpassed. Okay, so I am predicting price from the candles patterns. From the candle patterns. Okay, so here we are creating also a fair value gap. So I'm expecting to go upper, maybe even until here, but probably in the mid threshold. We will hit 0.705 area of optimal trade entry and then retrace backwards. So I am gonna profit more actually now, because we have this significant break of market structure. So this is, as I said, the next candle that could go up, but it could collapse also. Now I see that it's collapsing. We are in the 61.8 area, still an optimal trade entry downwards. You see the price action, the reaction of the price, I mean. I love it. I'm doing my cross here. Lately in my life I believe in Christ. I believe in the power of yourself through God. Exactly as predicted, this is the next candle that might go up for a little while, hit this fair value gap and then go down. This is for the future because someone will see it at some point. And again, after many months that I'm studying ICT, he has teached me to read the price like no one else. I actually had the instinct of reading the candle patterns by myself when I was starting, like the first days, but it was a demo account, and then it took me 3 years to learn everything and knowing exactly what I am doing. So since I started this live stream, I haven't lost a day. I did only one mistake because I traded in the afternoon while I was in work. So then there I had losses, which I got back yesterday, all of them and some more. So here is the price right now, trying to go lower. No, it's undecidable, but this is clear to 2022 model. Actually here I will, if price goes there in the 5 minute, I love it even more. Afterwards the level is here, the next target is there. and you see price going lower. Yep, so glad that they didn't close it. I'm gonna journal it. Let's see all of us live hitting the target. It will be fun, right? Here I could take some partial profits. Yep. Let's wait to hit this level to take partial profits. I love this candle actually. Look how close it is for the TP. Come on. Come on, I have a challenge to pass. I'm sorry. Come on. Repricing. I don't like this candle because it has some buyer's pressure here, some buying pressure, but I like this one because the body of this one has surpassed this market structure, which it tells me that this is a bearish order block, so here we will go down, I believe, even if this is bullish. If not, here it's the next level that again, bearish order block, boom, downwards. This is real support and resistance, as ICT says. My beautiful wife has made me some great piece of bread with egg and tomato and many stuff. Okay, we have some news. I'm hearing the news, like, and I don't know. No, I'm only watching price, guys. Yes, price tells me where news will send the price actually. So here is a repricing. I like this one. If it goes upwards, I might. Okay, I'm taking partial profits. Let's see. Let's go to the real accounts. So the 15 is here. I'm gonna take the target. Let's go in the 1 minute where we will stand, where we are standing. Bullish, bearish order block here. It's actually a sell here. Yep. Boom. These bodies are strong if it surpasses the bodies, because here you have equal highs. Next target is here. It did surpass it. It broke the equal. No. We still have equal highs, as you see, and they will be taken. Now you will see a pump, boom, upwards. Take these equal highs. Because we also have this fair value gap after a swing low. This could mean that we are going up at least for some amount of time, but I don't believe we will surpass this level. If we do, afterwards we have this support. We did surpass the highs. I'm expecting here to see a resistance. We broke with volume upwards. In 5 minutes we have medium impact from Spain. Yes, for sure, I'm anticipating to hit this fair value gap. The word fair value gap, I mean, it's how much? How many times I have said it in this live stream? Like millions. So, here is a fair value gap that has been touched. Okay, so that after swing low, so that tells me that we are going up. Here we had equal highs that have been broken. This is the bearish or the block that the price has the right to go up until there. If it goes higher, it has the right to go there, even up until here. If it goes there, I will move my stop loss over here. We lose a trade if price goes over there, and it's okay. It's okay to lose, guys. It's okay to lose. This is what I have learned actually. If you have a strategy that works, you just have to manage to have more wins, more percentage of winning in your wins than your losses. So as I have said, I'm actually doing this live stream to make me a better trader, and it has. I haven't had a red day since I opened this live stream. So I actually don't care if someone watches, and I don't care actually to do a YouTube channel. I'm just doing it for me, for my journaling. Let's see price how it will react. Let's see bullish movement, but in the general area. Oh, sorry, what is that? Let me not open. Okay, yes, it was somewhere there. Yes, only with right click in MetaTrader. So in the 5 minute we have these candles, a little bit of consolidation. Okay, this is significant. This is significant. We're going down hard. So if we surpass this low, the trade will take profit and it will be a perfect trade. This is the target I'm anticipating to surpass. We are now. We have also. I didn't know all about all the news about it. I mean, because I have it in another page, and they are not high impact. So okay, Greece in 15 seconds, low impact of course, but Greece actually, the Greek economy goes great actually. The Greek people are starving, but anyway, the economy is great. When you have rich countries, you have poor people actually, and the opposite. So we see it going hard down, and I love it. Today I love it. This perfect trading. Let's journal this perfect trade. Antivirus. Again, just a little before. We hit 50% the first target, but I have moved my target of the 50% and believing that here is the real 50%. From here we hit it. No, the opposite. Okay, we hit this 50% level, as you see, with a very strong power. Let's see if we'll have a retracement now, and the 5% that was expected was the other one. No. You can see the exact reaction to the 50% of Fibonacci. Look here, the precision. This is unbelievable. Okay, yep. And we will break it downwards with my TP. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We still have some little more way to go. Optimal trade entry. I couldn't find it. I couldn't find a solution of how it works. I couldn't make it work, and now I'm all over it. You can see the TP hitting the 50%, because for me 50% is a safer target. Again, just before, oh my god, this is frustrating, just before my TP is hit. I mean, these days, this is the story of 2024. Okay, just before the take profit is going to be hit, don't know the past, hit it. It retraces back, so it's a little bit frustrating, but you have to be patient. Okay, here you have in the 1 minute a candle. Okay, hey, it hit it, but didn't feel me. What the? what was that? Why I haven't been filled? You see hitting, okay, screenshot. Okay, take profit, hasn't filled, now it's gone up. I'm closing it. Now it might go up. Okay, because of this week. Okay, my real live account. I'm closing this 299. Okay, I might 220 to 300. Not bad at all, but many times I am just before the 50%. Now it's going to touch the 61.8 and then might retrace back. But I'm not willing to wait. So in the 1 minute I had this candle that shows me, and here's the fair value gap, that we will have a retracement, and I'm not willing to wait actually. 61% and fair value gap, it's a very good point to you have a mitigation block and fair value gap. So where I'm still anticipating to go down, but I am okay from these trades actually. Profit 423, we're halfway of the 800. So this is my last yesterday's and today's entry trades. Okay, both in real and in live accounts I had the same trades. Here also history. Last day, yes, I have a big drawdown in the live account. That's why I will take everything back now. This is my real live account. So this is real trading. You see that I have some good moments, but now I know what I'm doing better than ever. So since I started real live account, yes, here I put some money, 86 and 138, 226 total, and these are the only trades that I lost because I traded in the afternoon. This is my percentage, and here is yesterday's and the days before. Here are some strategic losses from the challenge. So I started well and then I had big losses. Why? Because I risked a lot. So this is what I've learned actually. That's why I took the challenge. I wasn't that serious here. So after that I had 3-4 days not trading. We see actually the price is pegging this fair value gap, this mitigation block going to the target, but I wasn't filled. I mean, unbelievable, man. My target was here and I wasn't filled. Look here. Do you see? Should or I shouldn't get filled? They will tell me that is the spread and stuff like that. What spread? You have zero spread in the prop firms. Fund trader and think markets, they have done this again. So all blue you see, it's where when I started the live stream. These are some losses, yes, but look at this. So I came back from minus 500 after these big losses. I was 9,500, and this is my way of coming back little by little. 20-30 euros, 50 euros here, 60 euros here, 50, 60 again in the same day. This is a big day. And 84 here, great day. And look here, yesterday was epic because I had big hit, big retracement, but I didn't close it and I managed my stop loss greatly. And today, yes, if I would wait, it would hit the take profit for sure, but I didn't want to wait actually, because it can always retrace back and go up. Okay, so I am done for the day. I'm gonna go do other stuff. It's just frustrating when your stop loss is it's been hit and you're not yet filled. Look at this. I mean, why lose 124 and take only how much I took? Yes, I closed it half and half. Now, for sure, you see price going down, as always, with these brokers. You see the target, it's clear, 50%. Now I would have take profit if I was wait. Okay, you can see it. You can see me predicting it to the very tip. Okay, so I believe I am in a very good level of predicting the price. My thing and all of the traders are also other stuff that they have to figure out, like the risk management and the psychology, which is even if I am very strong in my psychology as a person, trading is a roller coaster of emotions. It's very hard, but from my work I'm used to be in hard and very highly stressed situations. I would have hit TP 124. Okay, it will lose 10 euros, 15 euros, but it's okay. So the initial target, as you can see, I have predicted it from here. We were here, remember? $10 we were here. So I have predicted 16 pips only. 16 pips, but 16 pips. So after 15 pips we are okay. You see Fibonacci levels and you see the 50%, how important it is. Okay, this is my aunt. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. I am done for the day. I'm going to do some administrative work. Thank you for watching. Everything was predicted today to the point, to the pip. Yes, target could be the 0.27 right now, but I didn't want to wait. Even here, we will see on Monday with New York session also. Probably price will go here and then retracement, will have a retracement and will hit this mitigation block, maybe even here, and then go back. So we will wait now until Monday. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching now or in the future, and we will be back on Monday. let's see the promo and the video that I made, which is the best video ever made in YouTube.